What is happening, guys? In this video we're going to get the Lexus finished, polished, cleaned and listed for sale.
Came for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, if they pretend. Came on the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in.
So embarrassingly, I don't actually own a pressure washer. We are now on our way to get whatever the cheapest pressure washer Halford/Argos has to offer. We need to get microfibers and a couple other bits, and then we're actually going to be working from the house today because the water pressure at our garage is awful and there's no sockets near where the water is. No, it would be a whole handling. So we're going to work from the house. It's a nice sunny day anyway. I do still have to put the windscreen rubber back on, but I've got all the stuff with me to do that and a couple of interior trims and stuff. So yeah, should be a good day. I don't really know what just happened there, but I went into Halfords and said to this older dude, I am looking for a pressure washer, the cheapest one you have. And he said, oh, we have a wee budget one here. Took me around to the budget pressure washer. It was £65, more than reasonable. It's going to be awful, but it's going to be a pressure washer. At the end of the day, it's for the house. So that was alright. And then he must have sensed that I am miserable and didn't want to spend any money. Because he then said, look, take you this as well, and then handed me microfibers, and then took me to the till, and then pick up these other things which I sort of needed anyway, like detailing brushes and like a soft brush thing and just loads of stuff. It should have all come to over £100. And see, by the time he was done banging magic buttons on this till, it was £54 for everything. And I am blown away. So whoever you are that works at Coleraine Halfords, legend, hero. I also found out, being miserable, that if you hit snow mode in a Lexus, you can like visually watch the miles per gallon needle jump like up 10 miles per gallon. So you'll never see me drive this out of snow mode ever again. So for our cost of £54, we got this brush thing. A load of microfibers, these detailing brushes, which are really, really good. Like, they're fantastic things to have. Some wash and wax that I'm probably never going to use ever. A sponge that I might use, who knows. A pressure washer and a bucket. £54, you could not beat that. Actually, no, you couldn't beat that. So I'm going to do most of my talking inside, or I might voice over it, I don't know. But I don't want to be standing outside talking to a camera because my neighbours already think I'm completely and utterly insane. And I think that'd be the final straw. There would be a committee meeting about me or something. So I'm going to start with the wheels, get them cleaned, and then just start working on the rest of the bodywork. I'm not a valeter. I don't even clean cars that often. I normally pay someone to do it. So come wash the car with me and hoover it. Also, I don't have my good hoover at home, so we're literally using a Dyson for this. Not sure how it's going to go, but we're doing it. Car's getting listed today. So everything you see me using, I either already had or it was in this house when I moved in. Like all the Autoglem products were just in the shed, that's why I'm using them. The detailing brushes are just because I got them today. There's obviously other alloy wheel brushes that would be a better job, but to be honest, they did a grand job. The wheels weren't really that dirty because I just sprayed them. If you watch the previous videos, you'll know that. So pressure washing inside door jambs is something that never crossed my mind until I saw a detailer do it, and I don't know why. Like, opening a car door whilst you're washing it just seemed bizarre to me, but it's so much faster than using a cloth, and you can actually get in around the hinges and stuff properly, so highly recommend. As you can see, I'm using the Halford sponge because I didn't have a wash mitt. Again, everything that I have I either already had at this house when I moved in or I bought today. I also don't have a wet vac, so that's why I'm pressure washing the floor mats first, just so they can literally dry in the sun whilst I am cleaning the rest of the car. So very shortly I realised the Dyson sucked, so you see me go and get the head of a yard brush and brush it all into one corner and then hoover it back up again. It didn't work all that well, but it was all I had. So yeah, this is not a professional detail, as you've probably noticed by now. But you can't sell a car that's covered in dust because you've sanded it all with the doors off. So yeah, you go around it with the detailing brush and some of the interior shampoo, I'm pretty sure it's called. It's more or less just G101, and scrubbing out all the little crevices, and then wiping it off and just going over it with some trim dressing. I can't even remember what all of them call it. I think it's like rubber care or trim and rubber care or something, but it's just trim dressing. It's actually pretty good. It's been a couple of days since I actually recorded this video, and it's still on there, so it's doing alright, considering auto glim stuff is really not my favourite thing in the world. And next up we'll be doing the engine bay. Now, controversial topic, pressure washing engine bays, but as you can see it was covered in sand and dust and overspray, and I steered clear of the fuse box and stuff, so it was, well, the car still works. I'm not suggesting doing it, but I did it. Use that information as you will. And this is more or less the finished product. It came out way better than I thought it was going to. I didn't have a whole lot of stuff that you need to detail a car, so considering I was going around it with the world's worst hoover, no wetback, and some auto glim and detailing brushes, I think it came out sick. It's definitely presentable enough for sale anyway. Look at this thing. It has not been this clean since I owned it. So guys, the Lexus is finished. I know this was very much a short video, but it's better to post a short video just tying it up and finishing the car off than just to leave you guys on the cliffhanger that it was last time. So the car's listed for sale now. I'll keep you guys updated when it sells and what we get for it and stuff. I might do a price breakdown video so you guys sort of know how much the car was costing, how much it sold for, did we make any money at all, or did we lose money, or how it all went. I might do that, but I don't know. I think the next video is probably just going to be me doing up the workshop. I've got to set up the lift and stuff. I've also got a Range Rover to paint, so I suppose it could be that. It could be a whole lot of things, who knows. Well, you guys will know if you subscribe to the channel and get me more than 73 subscribers. That'd be great, just saying. And if you want to fire a comment and a like and, you know, help out that road, I'd appreciate it. If you don't follow me on TikTok, it's the Elusive Keanu. I'll put it down at the bottom of the screen because that's where I post everything before it makes it to YouTube, like little snippets. But other than that, yeah, subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one.